Have you just received your Travel Saverz Travel Voucher and aren't sure how to activate it? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. The first thing you need to know is that your certificate will not arrive from a Travel Saverz Club email address. Instead, it will be sent from the email address shown on your screen using the same email address you used to register your membership. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam, junk mail, or promotions folders. Once you've received the email, click Print PDF Certificate to open your travel certificate. At the moment, this process is completed through email. However, very soon, you'll also be able to access your vouchers directly from your Travel Saverz back office. Now, you'll see your travel certificate. On the right-hand side, you'll find a very important piece of information: your certificate ID. Copy this number, as you'll need it to activate your voucher. Next, visit the official activation website, www.rewardsandincentives.com. On this page, enter the certificate ID you just copied, along with the same email address where you received your certificate. Then click Redeem My Offer. Once you log in, you'll notice a countdown timer. It's very important to activate your voucher before this timer expires. Otherwise, your certificate will be canceled. If you scroll down a little further, you'll find a simple step-by-step guide provided by the platform to help you through the activation process. Next, complete your personal and billing information. On this same page, you'll also see the certificate activation fee, which is $24.95. Once your certificate has been activated, it will remain valid for 2 years, giving you plenty of time to plan and enjoy your vacation. After that, accept the terms and conditions, add your electronic signature, and click Redeem My Offer to complete the activation. Once your payment has been approved, you'll receive a confirmation that your certificate is now active. The next step is to click Upgraded Inventory. You'll immediately gain access to the available destination inventory. Here, you'll find recommended vacation destinations, or you can search for any destination you'd like and begin comparing hotels, locations, and prices to find the perfect option for your trip. And that's it! Your certificate is now fully activated and ready to use. Remember, this is an exclusive Travel Saverz benefit. These 7-night stays for up to 4 people can be worth anywhere from $2,000 to over $8,000, depending on the destination and travel season. When you're ready to use your voucher, you'll only pay the hotel's taxes and fees, giving you access to an incredible vacation experience at a fraction of its regular value. Thank you for choosing Travel Saverz. We hope you enjoy this amazing experience and that it's just the first of many unforgettable trips around the world. We'll see you at your next destination.